Hey guys, it's MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the triple white Nike Vapormax. And yeah, this is the box it comes in. It retails about 180, 170, and they're pretty much sold out everywhere. The black ones are, the white ones are, mainly the white ones are. You can still get some black ones, but it's hard to get. But yeah, this is the box it comes in. This one's a bit dirty just on the Nike tick, but yeah, it's reflective as you can see. Wow, look at that. That's what I like. And then you got these weird ass shapes here. I've never seen that before in a Nike box, which is very nice. Good design. You got the Vapormax. Look at that. Really gone into detail with the box design, which I really like, because that's the first thing you see when you get a product like this. And if you get wowed by the box, then wow in it. Look at that glowing logo. It's turned purple. So sexy, guys. All right. So yeah, look at that. Wow. Damn, look at that. Oh, okay. So as you can see, it's a reflective logo that changes colors. Very nice. Yeah, this one's 170 as you can see. I got it from Foot Locker. Or was it Foot Locker? Yeah, Foot Locker. And it's pretty damn... The guy saved it for me because I'm a regular there. And he likes me, so yeah, nice guy. Sound guy. He saved me the last pair and hid it in the warehouse. Very nice guy. This was made in China. It's a white, sail white, blah blah blah. UK 9. I'm a size 10, so I don't know if this will fit me. But yeah, hopefully it will. EU, got the tick there. At the bottom we got all the Nike stuff there. Nike, so swoosh, just do it, all the stuff like that. Alright guys, so that's it says the Vapormax logo, which is very nice. It's a wiped white tissue paper, which is pretty cool. I'll just take the receipt out. I paid about 190 because I bought some insoles and stuff, so the guy got some commission, which is nice, I guess. So yeah. Right, wow, look at that shoe, guys. It's Flyknit material, guys, and then this part's plasticky rubber. I'm not sure how to describe it. Right, let me take one out. Look at that. What the hell? Whoa. Oh yeah, he's put the soles in for me. They're not the thingy ones. These are the ones I bought, I think, or they're the ones. I'm not too sure. I think these are the ones I bought, or they're not. I'm not too sure. If you know, then please tell me. I have no idea, guys, because I can't remember. Oh no, these are the ones I bought. So they're the ones, the real ones. There you go, Vapormax. And then these are the performance ones he's put in for me, as you can see. So yeah, it just helps with my foot size and stuff. So I might have to take them out later. So yeah, got a Nike tick here. Pretty nice. I'm not sure what the hell all this shit is, but yeah. Flyknit material. It feels like rain would get through that material though, so I wouldn't wear it on a rainy day. It's a white shoe as well, so you're gonna have to creep it carefully and probably crap protect it and shit. You can put the laces through here as well if you want, which is pretty nice. Got Vapormax sign there, and it's reflective. That's why you can't see it. There you go. Can you see how it's reflecting? Can you see that Vapormax? That's very nice of that. And yeah, I really like this material, guys. It's strong there and then soft there, and then it's like a sock here, which is pretty cool. And then you got the Nike Vapormax sign there. That's not reflective, that's just normal. And you got thin laces, which is I like thin laces on shoes, because it just makes it a lot better. Okay, so the inside's very thin as well. Look how thin that is, guys. So yeah, it's the bottom of the shoe, guys. Very nice. These are rubber. It's like a rubbery plastic. Strong though, and it'll give you quite a bit of grip as well because of the design and stuff. I don't know if that spells anything or not. If it spells anything, let me know. I can't tell. I don't think it does though. But yeah, you got a Nike tick there as well, and that's about it. Let me get the shoe out, show you both the shoes together. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. How nice is that, guys? So this is what it looks like standing up. And yeah, I'll try get the black ones and my hands on black ones. I did have a pair, but I sold them straight away because people wanted it, and if you can sell it for profit, you might as well. And I'm not too big of a fan of Nike shoes anyway. I'm more of an Adidas guy. If you know on my channel, you'll see. And check out all my other shoe unboxing, guys. By the way, I've done a lot of videos, but I'm not uploading them yet. So you're gonna see this Nike one and the most recent Adidas one I've done, which is Adidas something basketball shoe. Adidas EQT basketball advanced shoes. You're going to see these two first, even the most recent, and then I'm going to upload my old ones. I've done about 8 to 9 old Adidas videos as well, which I'll upload soon. I've not found time to upload and edit them and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to push these out quicker because these are more popular shoes at the moment. So why not? So yeah, I'm thinking I might try these on. I'm size 9, but I'm size 10 I mean, but these are size 9. I'm going to take these performance soles out because it does add more, it makes it more, gets rid of space basically. So it'll make it harder for me to fit in because I'm big feet. So yeah, let me take these out. So these are the soles. I'll show you them. Yeah, I pretty much paid for them. I'll show you what you get. This is the soles if you want to buy them. Air Decor or something, I don't know. They're like 20 quid. It's a rip off, but yeah, I did it for the guy's commission, so why not? He saved me the shoe. Nice guy. Properties of air cushion, blah blah blah. Air Cool Max, yeah. So yeah, let's not read that, guys. Let's not read that. Alright guys, I'm going to try these shoes on. I reckon I might just... Nah, I don't think so. I've got wide feet here, so I'm not sure. I'm going to try it. If I feel like it's going to rip or something, I'm not going to bother. And if it works, I might give this to somebody or something. I'll present it to them or something if I can't do anything with it. So yeah, let's go try this out. Alright guys, there's no chance I'm going to get into them because I'm too wide foot, get stuck here. Just when I'm putting my foot in, it's too thin. So yeah, sorry about that guys. I guess I'm gonna have to sell these or give these away to a friend or something, or mate or cousin or something. So yeah, or I might do a giveaway, I don't know. We'll see guys, we'll see. So yeah, I think I'll have to get probably a size 11 or 12 now. For this, Nikes I never fit in because it's never true to size. It's usually smaller than it is. That's why I always get bigger. It's the same, if you've seen my Nike LeBron videos and stuff like that, you'll see the Jordan videos and the Ashes and stuff like that. You'll see that they were too small as well. I just barely fit in one of them, and the other one I couldn't fit in at all. Nike shoes are always smaller than they usually are, so I need to get used to that and order bigger sizes. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll just make a thumbnail now. Nope. How should we make the thumbnail? By the way, look at these shoes guys. Oh, Adidas. Go check it out. My last video, my last shoe video guys. If you do get these shoes, you will like them. I reckon you'll like them guys. So yeah, look at these shoes. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll see you guys next time.